The red battery light on your T-Mobile home internet gateway indicates a charging problem. This usually means the battery isn't charging correctly or isn't holding a charge. Common causes include a faulty power adapter, a degraded battery, or even extreme temperatures. The gateway uses a 7.4 volts lithium-ion battery, and the light turns red if the voltage drops too low or fails to charge adequately. Don't use third-party batteries. Stick with the original to avoid fire risks. The good news is T-Mobile extended warranties to 3 years for batteries in 2024, so replacements may be covered. Check the T-Mobile app for real-time battery diagnostics and error codes. First, ensure you're using the original T-Mobile power adapter rated at 12 volts and 2 watts. A mismatched adapter can prevent proper charging. Try a simple reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Remember to unplug the gateway during any reset procedures. Environmental factors matter too. Extreme cold below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or heat above 95 degrees Fahrenheit can affect battery performance. Calibrating the battery can sometimes help. Let it fully discharge, then recharge it completely. T-Mobile's firmware updates include enhanced battery health monitoring, but replacement might still be needed, especially after 2 to 3 years. In 2024, T-Mobile had a mass replacement program with an 85% success rate. If the light persists, the battery may be degraded. Contact T-Mobile support for further assistance and potential battery replacement.